Hey guys, the Gadget Man here, and today I'm going to be showing you this Atsanc car air pump. Alright guys, so this item was gifted to me to do this video, and that's what I'm going to do. So let's go ahead and get at it. Alright, let's take this baby out of the box and see what it looks like. Now if you're like me, you like to have emergency equipment on hand at all times, and an air pump when you're driving a car is absolutely a necessity. If not for you, but maybe somebody along the road might need your help. And it's always good to have a nice little reliable air pump in the car with you. Alright, so let's go ahead and get this thing out of the bag here. Alright, so comes with some little tips for inflating you know, soccer balls, basketballs, and different types of things. Let's take this thing out of the bag. It's actually quite tight in the bag, so not actually sliding out too easy here, but not too difficult. You got your little instruction manual. Okay, so it plugs into your car. It's got a nice little cord over here on the side that plugs into your card. Over here it has, in this pocket, it has your little tire inflator cord to go to your tire. It has a 9-foot cord on it. Okay, guys, pretty standard thing. Let me go ahead and go to my vehicle and give it a try, and we'll see how fast it airs up a little tire. All right, so let's get at it. Alright, so I've got it hooked up here. This is a 15-inch tire right here. It's down to 0 PSI right there. So we're going to try to air it up to 30 PSI and see how long it's going to take to go from 0 to 30 PSI. But whenever you're airing up a tire, you definitely always want to start the vehicle so you don't run the vehicle battery down. So let's go ahead and get the vehicle started. We'll turn it on and let's see how long it takes. Alright, vehicle on, let's turn it on. Okay, so there you have it. It got to 30 PSI there. I actually had it set to a different measuring system. I'm not sure what this is. It's not a measuring system I'm familiar with. So, and I didn't know it was in that opposite one, so I had to press that to get to PSI, which is what I understand. And so you were watching a different measuring, but it did get to 30 PSI, and that's how long it took, and I'll show it right here how long it took there. There's no heat. It's a little warm on the bottom, but it's not really hot, so it did that good. It has a little work light here if you need to use it at night. You know, it wasn't super fast, but I've seen a lot slower, so and it didn't make a lot of noise. So you know, decent little pump. It does what it does, and you know, it has built-in digital, you know, air pressure gauge there, so you can get your tire up to what you want it at. So, all right, guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If it's helped you out, please consider hitting the heart or the like to let me know. So, until next time, this is the Gadget Man saying, I'll see you later.